Hey everybody, how's it going? This is Michael from Extreme Diecast Racing. Today we're going to be running these trucks. These are track stars, sometimes they're called track and trucks. We're going to be running them against each other. And they're going to be going through our double, triple loop after coming down our 16-foot ramp. They'll run through the triple loops and run to the finish line. Hey Jaden. Alright, well let's get to it. We're lined up for the first race. We've got two Tinker trucks running against each other. Let's see which one takes it. Well, the yellow Tinker Hot Wheels Fuel took that one. This truck is really fast. Handled those loops with ease. Next up, we've got Turbo Beast over in lane number 1 and Holland Heat, and lane number 6 on the left. Turbo Beast started out slow down the ramp, but he sure overtook Holland Heat through the loops. That was pretty fun to watch. Next up, we've got Mr. Big, the yellow truck on the right, against Aero Blast over here on the left. That was an extremely close race. Aeroblast barely took over Mr. Big right on the straightaway before the finish line. That was as close as they come. Next up, we've got Caged Cargo, green truck on the right, up against Copter Chase, the helicopter on the left. Copter Chase took that one, even with Cargo on the back end. Pretty fast. Next up, we've got the custom Volkswagen hauler on the right, and Holland Heat over here on the left. The custom Volkswagen hauler took that one, beating out our glow-in-the-dark Holland Heat. Here's our next group. We've got the speed hauler over on the right, the green truck, and the hitch and haul is this orange truck over here on the left. Well, this nice looking speed hauler took that one. He's moving on to the next round. These 6 trucks were the winners, so they're moving on. We're going to find out which are the fastest 3 out of these 6. Alright, we're lined up for the next race. Copter Chase against Fuel and Fire. Well, the Hot Wheels Fuel and Fire is fast. He was behind that whole last race. But when he comes out of the loops, he shoots like crazy. So he won that one. It's pretty fun to watch. We've got the Volkswagen Custom Hauler on the right against Turbo Beast on the left. Well, our black and red Volkswagen Custom Hauler took that one. Moving on to the next round. Here's our next group. We've got the Aero Blast on the right and the Speed Hauler, the green truck on the left. Speed Hauler won out on that one. It was a close race though. Here are 3 winners that made it to the finals. So we're gonna run the trucks against each other. We'll find out which one's fastest, and then we'll find out which one is second and third. Here's our first race of the finals. We've got the custom Volkswagen Hauler in lane number 1, and we've got Fuel and Fire in lane number 6. Fuel and Fire took that one. So now he's going to match up against Speed Hauler. We'll see which one is the fastest of all of our track and trucks. We are lined up for the championship race. Let's see which one of these two is the king of all trucks. Well, we know this Fuel and Fire is the fastest of all trucks. Now we want to find out who second and third is. So we've got Speed Hauler against Custom Volkswagen Hauler. Let's see which one's fastest. We've got them lined up for second and third place. Speed Hauler in lane number 1, Custom Volkswagen Hauler in lane number 6. Here's our winners. For third place, we got the custom Volkswagen Hauler. Second place, Speed Hauler. And finally, our winner of all trucks is Fuel and Fire. That was pretty fun to watch them go through the triple loops. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and the like button. Right, thanks for watching.